So today I want to show you some of the things that I bought to be able to do Camino de Santiago simpler, less difficult for me. So some of these things I carry them all the time when I travel, but most of these, what you're seeing here, I got them specifically for this trip. My electronic, like chargers, but in this case, it's very important that you carry your extra charger because you don't know how many hours you'll be walking. So it's important that you have it ready. I also carry always my earplugs because I want to make sure that I can sleep even if people are around me making noise. So the other thing that is very important in this trip is to bring your converter if you are traveling from countries that are not in the European Union. Also, I got this spray that is to make sure that if you are in the rain, your shoes are don't get too wet. I also have the socks that I'm going to use during the walk. These are, as you can see, toe socks. I thought I would not like them because for some reason I thought it was going to be very uncomfortable, but it's not. It's actually very comfy. And what I read in the recommendations is that you need to use Vaseline on your feet before you put on your socks. So that's what I've been doing. I've been using Vaseline and then the toe, and then on top of those, the socks, the wool socks, and I got the smart wool. Also, I got these sneakers, are super comfy. These are Hoka, and I got them one size higher because I'm using 2 socks, so I just wanted to make sure it was going to be big enough. Here in this bag, I have my sticks to be able to walk. They recommend that to do it because your back can suffer after a few days of walking, so make sure that you get your sticks. I also got 2 outfits. These are very good for hiking. The pants are waterproof, and then the sweatshirt. This is good when it's too sunny because it has UV protection. I also carry with my umbrella that is both for sun protection and also for rain. So it's important to have it, especially in Camino de Santiago where it rains all the time. My bottle of water that can extend, so if I need more water, this can extend, and of course my hat.